Hello everybody, welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel, and welcome back to the Notre Dame set number 21061, 4,383 pieces, Lego Architecture Series, Notre Dame in Paris, France. What a beautiful set. Truly iconic, beautiful set. Here's where we're at. We're moving on to bag 26 of 34. We completed bags 23, 24, and 25. To begin part 3, here's bag number 26 laid out. There's no sub bag, it's just this main bag. Again, all small parts to build this up. Here's what we have through 25 bags into part 3, and it is coming together very nicely. We're going to be adding some top pieces here. The roof has now been installed up here, as you can see, and we are building up these towers, the 2 towers. Here they are, and we have one more section to go on top on those towers. We added in these star pillars right here, and they're kind of tricky because each one has to be angled. The 2 outer ones angled in one direction, and the two on the left a certain direction, 2 on the right go the opposite direction, which really makes it difficult. And you can see the detail there. Just a lot of detail here. Looking fantastic. It's a challenging set. If you really like challenging sets and you like dealing with a lot of small pieces, keep in mind you're dealing with over 4,000 small pieces. This is a great set to build. It has its own little challenges, and it's a lot of fun to build. As we come up on top, you can see the tops of those towers. There's your roof, totally installed. There's the medallion, another entrance. They come along the side. And we have pretty much the same thing on the other side. And of course you have these star pillars here, and they're on the other side as well. And they're also deep inside. If you can see in there, there's different columns of these inside there, and they all have to be angled a certain way. So there it is. Through bag 25 in part 3, we have 26 through 34 to go, and we'll get those done. We'll stop along the way, give you a fresh update, and we'll be back after that, and then we'll finish it off in part 4 with the final review and the reveal of the full completed set. So thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and we'll be back. Hello everybody, welcome back to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Look at this. The Notre Dame, Paris, France has been completed. This is part 3 of a 3-part series. This series encompassed bags 24 through 34, which 34 was the entire bag count for the set, and we have completed it. I did not do a lot of updates after bag 24, 25, and 26 because a lot of the structure had been assembled and there wasn't much to look at and to see beyond that. Most of it was just adding decorative pieces to it, and of course the plants out front, and just a very few structure pieces. So what we have, look at this. What a beautiful, beautiful set this is. What a landmark this is. I would strongly recommend this set completely. It is an Architecture Series set from Lego. It is a newer release. It's been out for a little while, but newer. And it is worth every penny. It's $229.99. It's a little pricey, I will agree, but it's 4,383 pieces. It's set number 21061. It's an 18+ set, but boy, is it worth every penny, I believe. This is truly a masterpiece that you're looking at. So what we added was all of these trim pieces on the outer side, the plants out front, of course, the trees. The entire roof section was added. The spire up on top, which is quite large, right there. That was done in the center with gears, believe it or not, gray gears. And you have these figurines on each side that look to the outer side of the roof. Over here you have the entrance. This is the west side. West side 2 towers here. All this detail. Just an enormous amount of detail here. These columns in here with the stars on top that all face a certain direction. As you come up here, and there's the top of the 2 towers, and there are little spires up top. As you come around to the north side, there's the other entrance on this side, basically a duplicate of the other side. This was added here, this section. Just beautiful. What a work of art this thing is. Whoever developed this Lego should be complimented for sure. And here's the beginning. This is where part 1 concentrated, right here. This section here, which is the east side, was built first. And if you look at my other 2-part videos, part 1 and part 2, you will see all of this explained, and documentation and videos that show that being built. Then part 2 covered the main section, which is down the center, moving to the west, which is right here, all this section. And of course inside, which you can no longer really see, you have the tile floors. You'll see that in part 1 and part 2, the tile floors and the columns and the different floors that were built up. So there you have it. Beautiful set. And of course this set covered a wide range. All the years are in the descriptions that you'll see as we went year period by year period through this of the original construction in Paris. And of course it was destroyed through the French Revolution, and a lot of it was destroyed. The whole building was not destroyed, but it was kind of turned into a ruin. A lot of pieces were taken out of it. The windows were broken. It just laid in ruin for quite a number of years. And then the French decided to rebuild it, fix it up, and bring it back to the landmark that it is. And it is just fantastic. So I would strongly recommend this. I'm going to rate this a 10 out of 10. It's a challenging build, and you have to take your time with it. It does take time to build. It's, after all, almost 4,400 pieces. And each piece is extremely small. There's very few large pieces in this set, except for the base itself. So there you have it. Solid 10 out of 10 on this set. Makes a beautiful, beautiful display. It's fun to look at, and it's a real keeper. This is one you really want to display because it looks so good. So there you have it. The manual, 290 pages. Throughout the manual, they do cover the different build time periods and descriptions of what those were and what led to those time periods. You had, of course, the fire in 2019, which was devastating, but the French stepped up and rebuilt it back to the beautiful landmark that it is today. Manual, very, very well documented, covers large areas here on the pages. The parts list, surprisingly, is not really long. The reason it's not is because a lot of the pieces were duplicated many times over to build this. Here's your parts list here. And 1 page back, that is it. Right there. That is the entire parts list. But there's so many pieces that are similar to build this that the parts list seems short. And of course you have full documentation in the manual right there. And each time period is documented as I built it in that same manner as you go through these pages. It's beautiful graphics in this manual that covers a wide range. There's where the last 2 bags, 33 and 34, were done together. And just beautiful. So there is the set. I highly recommend this set. I would encourage anybody that's into architecture and landmarks, and just loves beautiful displays that are highly detailed, this is what you go for. This is the one. It's just that beautiful. So thank you for coming along on this 3-part series. I much appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the build and followed along with me and had some fun building this. And if you did, please like, subscribe, share it, and comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you have this set, what did you think of it? Are you displaying it, and are you enjoying it? Let me know. Let me know. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful landmark to display in your Lego collection. I really recommend this set very highly. So again, thanks for coming along, thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Let me know. Love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll be back with the next one very soon.